Hello guys, this is Bastian from Australia and I'm at Masters today, and I think there's lots and lots of washing machines here and dryers. So this is a washing machine and a detergent drawer, and the drum. Take these things out. You can see the drum washes the clothes.
What brand is that?
First it washes the clothes and then
What brand?
it starts to spin.
What brand is that?
It's a Simpson washing machine.
Okay, do you recommend it?
And you can turn it on and just start if you want to do it.
What else? Show us another one.
So this is a washing machine that it's in there.
Is it a front loader or top loader?
See? It comes out easily.
Come on, tell everyone what you're doing.
What's your best washing machine?
Show us the best one.
What's the best one, Bastian?
What's that one there?
It's a Pilot.
Panasonic. Okay.
It's a Panasonic.
What else?
The drummer spins at high speed.
Yeah. What else have we got?
This washing machine has noise.
What else? What else have we got?
We have got this washing machine,
What's that one?
and
They're all the same, aren't they? Are they all the same? Huh?
the drum protects. Hello guys. So this is a washing machine still a high speed than these drums.
Front loader or top loader?
There's a front loaders, and of course
Where are we, Bastian?
we're at Masters. So look inside the drum. When it speeds, it goes like that. Detergent jar looks like.
Do you want to go show some different types?
What
Huh?
else is there, Bastian?
These washing machines.
What else?
I found these washing machines.
What's your favourite
And it's
washing
called,
machine?
it's all of them.
You like all of them?
Yeah, I like all of them.
So Bastian, what are you going to show me now?
The dryers.
Okay.
These are all of the dryers.
Okay. What's so good about them?
They dry the clothes.
Hey, Bastian, why is there holes at the back?
Because it has to heat them. And when it turns on, it starts to be.
And why does it last? Hey, Bastian.
Can you say what's inside? And next dryer.
Why do they spin for?
So this says impress dryers to make washing machines. Okay, next dryer. Next dryer. This dryer. Okay, so guys, this is a glass door and the seals on the door, but you can see that there's things.
What's that for?
That's for you can clean this when there's dirty things in there. And it's
The lint.
easy. And you can, and it's goes out easy.
What brand is it?
This is, I don't know what brand is it.
Say Electrolux.
Electrolux.
Yeah.
But a dryer looks like this. But it heats up the clothes.
We can't hear you.
It,
We can't hear you. You got to talk to the camera.
it heats up the clothes. And
What's it for?
It doesn't spin properly.
Okay.
Okay, next dryer. Thank you for watching my videos, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.